Shingeki. Today we are gonna do a look inspired by Shingeki no Kyojin, or Attack on Titan. A few days ago I watched the trailer of the movie and I said to myself, I really have to do this. And this is the first look for my Attack on Titan series, annually in heart as a normal person and as a Titan. Click the thumbs up button if you like this look in this video. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. And if you have any questions, requests, or suggestions, feel free to write it down below in the comment box. If you want to see how I transform from Shingeki to Annie, then keep on watching this video. Right.
Start with clean and moisturized face and wear your blue contact lenses for this look. This will get messy, so make sure to tidy up your hair. Oh, hello there. I want this to seem realistic, so instead of using white face paint, I use this light foundation. Just buff it all over your face, extending to your neck and shoulder area. Make your brows thin, slightly arched, and pointing upwards. I use Nichido eye pencil and taupe to match Annie's blonde hair, and set that with this light brown powder from the Milani Brow Kit. I use a Tooth House brow gel to tint my brow, and this Naturactor concealer to clean the edges. Basically, Annie is a very pale chick, but I still wanted to do a slight contour. Contour your nose, cheekbones, and jawline as you would usually do. And because I'm doing the Titan look on the other side, I just did half of my face. Next, we're gonna move on to the eyes. Just get a white eyeliner. I use Milk from NYX for my waterline and my lower lash line. This technique would make our eyes seem bigger like Annie's. Then simply tight line using black or brown gel liner. Take care of your lashes and we are almost done with the eyes. Last step is using dark brown powder to make a shadow under the white line. I use a darker powder from the same Milani Brow Kit. I also brush that lightly on my crease area to warm up my eyes. That's simple and we're done. For the lips, I just used the sheer mocha lipstick from LA Colors. Then I dab some concealer on my top lip to make it look thinner. Blend them carefully with your fingers and the Annie Lee and Heart look is complete. Now on to the exciting part, Annie as a Titan. Get a brown pencil and roughly sketch your eye socket and the hollows on the cheeks. Extend the line from your lip area by holding the pencil still and turning your head slightly. Also, don't forget the detail on the chin area. We'll use these lines as a guide on where to put our fake flap of skin. Get your glue stick, mash it up, and apply it like so. Fill in the line slowly, making sure to blend the edges onto your skin. Do this for your eye socket, chin, hollows on your cheeks, and prominent wrinkles all over your face. I don't really mind having rough skin impressions because I think it makes the ruptured skin more realistic. Once you're done with the key details, you can randomly put slabs of glue all over your face. Scrape them in a certain direction to make them seem like stretch marks and add texture to your Titan face. It would only take a few minutes for the glue to totally dry, then you can cover it up with foundation. I usually apply patches of brown skin corrector before stippling foundation over the glue. I think it makes the skin look more blotchy. Blend well and we can proceed to the face paints. For this tutorial, I used different shades of red lipstick because I didn't have the red face paint. Start with a bright red and go darker as you go near the edges. I think the lipsticks kind of worked well because the glossy surface seemed like moist, bloody muscles. I used this brick red shade for the part closest to the flap. This is how it looks so far. With a detailer brush, I picked up this dark brown powder to emphasize the wrinkles and impressions on my face. While looking at a photo reference, I tried to follow the stroke of the stretch marks. Now to deepen the colors and add more details, I went ahead and used this water-based black face paint. I blended it with the reds to make some muscular margins and eye bags, and started outlining the hollows on my cheek. Then I filled the box in with a bright red lipstick and added a little light foundation on the lower left corner of the box. I also added a few highlights on the eye area. I wanted to add more lines on my face, so I mixed this moisturizer and dark foundation and applied it with this mangled fan brush. And I also added a little bit more redness on some areas using this red lipstick. Next, you can draw on the neck area by following a photo reference, or you can suck it up like this to see the natural contour of your bones and your neck and shoulder muscles. Just play with your black and red colors, blend them well, and also add some highlights. To complete the look, of course, you will need Annie's signature blonde hair. In my case, I DIY the curly blonde wig that I used for the Easter Bunny makeup tutorial. If you'd like to see it, I'll put the link down below. I straightened the front part and cut it into a bob and put the rest of the hair into a bun, and voila! This is a final look. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something from this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.